The Majestic Bear Suite. You get one bedroom with a king bed, two double beds, and a sofa, pull-out sofa. Here's the washer. Granite countertop, extra coat hangers, safe, refrigerator, microwave, very tall ceilings, very spacious. Laptop can be connected to the TV. I did call about this, but they said you couldn't connect it, but apparently you can. So there you go. If you got a laptop, you can watch your movies on it, or do any business work, or anything you got to do. Check emails and so on. Here's the king bed. Also high ceilings in here too. Here's a balcony. That's where all the helicopters take off. There's the pull-out couch. Another TV. Two queen-size beds. And there you go, the Majestic Bear Suite at Great Wolf Lodge, Niagara Falls, Canada. Alright there folks, have yourselves a good one. And thanks for watching.
So you can see it full screen on the TV. There we go, it's gonna drop. Ah, there it goes. Woo! That was a good one.